So the program is a guidance, navigation, and control, or GNC, focused electrical engineering master's degree. And the intent of the program is to help get students spun up on what it is to do navigation, where you're looking at the math, the science, the theory, and the application.
So the first thing that came to mind when I was kind of pitching to my family about the idea of me going to AFIT for school, they were like, do you have to enlist? And I was like, I don't think so. Then after a few meetings, I found out that I don't have to and that I can just keep my current job. Nothing changes except I lose a few hours a day doing homework and studying.
So our program is unique because it's number one, it's very individualized. We're looking at each individual as they come in. We look at them, their supervisor, their mentor. We get very involved in what they want to do and where they want to go and where their organization wants them to go.
The courses I'm taking and what I actually do day to day are super highly correlated. Things I learn in class, the next day I can come into the office and apply directly the problems I'm trying to solve, which is unheard of for any sort of grad degree.
The second thing is it's very defense focused. And so since we are catering to defense customers, all of our classes, all of the projects are very defense related.
My thesis actually is trying to solve a joint urgent operational need for the Joint Navigation Warfare Center right now. So that's something that nobody's done before. It's something we really need, and I get to work towards that while working on my thesis for school.
So the intent of the program is that the student works as much as possible for their job as part of their degree. And we coordinate with the student and make sure that they have a good mentor, somebody that can serve as that technical expert. Because the on-site mentor really takes the place of the graduate advisor that would be in place.
Because I've had great mentors, I knew what it meant to be a mentor myself. And so signing up to be Eddie's mentor, I said, hey, look, Eddie, I'm going to be there for you. And when you say that to someone, you need to be there. You need to have time and set time across. Because even just random things during the day, Eddie will come in and say, hey, let me bounce this idea off. Does this make sense? I mean, that sounding board is just as important as setting up a simulation, and allows me to get back into my engineering roots as well. So it's kind of a win-win there.
Very rarely do I ask him a question he doesn't know the answer to. And he's a great person to be able to go to every time I need help with anything.
GNC and PNT cross-cuts everything. It is in every piece of gear we have. And the more that we realize it, the more we realize, oh my gosh, we need more of these people.
So this program we've been teaching at AFIT for over 20 years. And because of the needs we observed and also heard from individuals that have been through our program, those individuals have come to us and said, how can I get this program that I went through that was so valuable to me out to the people that are now working for me? And we built this to be able to have a broad reach, to be able to go anywhere. Anywhere you've got somebody that needs expertise and understanding in guidance, navigation, and control, we can get you our courses.
It's kind of a do it as you have time sort of program with the distance learning. The lectures are pre-recorded and you just watch them at your own leisure, and then you do your homeworks, your projects, and you submit them.
What's cool about the program is that Eddie can still travel. Eddie can still go on these trips and not miss out on the career progression. At the same time, he can still do the education progression. And so folks that are halfway across the country or even on the other side of the world can be at AFIT without having to be at AFIT.
The degree is available to anyone affiliated with the Department of Defense. So if you're a military officer and you're looking to get more information and more specialization in guidance, navigation, and control, this is for you. If you're a government engineer, whether that's you work for the Army or Navy or Air Force, Marines, whoever. And then if you're a DoD contractor, you also have access to these courses. You can get great degrees at civilian institutions doing wonderful things, but you can't get the defense focus that you'll get here.
So it's definitely made me a lot more confident when I talk to other engineers, vendors, or customers. I can talk at varying different levels of technicality if I need to.
We have a lot of open positions, and I just need people to put in, and I need a skilled workforce. And so I'm pushing for the program to be successful because I need more Eddie Gomez's going through this program.
I've learned so much from this program so far that's directly relevant to what I do every single day. It'd be silly for me not to recommend that everyone else goes and do it too.